channel Simply Meets, and today is narito kami sa MTR ng Quarry Bay. So pupunta kami doon sa Enchanted Forest, guys, doon sa Cambridge building. Yan. So titingnan natin yung magandang display doon, yung doon sa artistry. So let's go, guys. Tara na. So, ayan guys, mag-exit na. So, exit A sa Quarry Bay. Ayan guys. This is tayo. So, madali lang hanapin guys. Paglabas mo na MTR exit A, lakad lang ng konti, the escalator, then lakad ng konti, and then yun na yun. First floor na yun. So, andito na kami sa Taiko Place sa Quarry Bay. Gagala. Taiko Place. Quarry Bay exit A. Ito. Diyan. Magic Echoes. Ito. Temperatures. So, ito na pala guys. Ano to? Paano? Paano kaya pumasok dito? So, it's so interesting. Buti pinayagan kami by appointment pala dito guys. So here we go. Enchanted Artistry. Enchanted guys. Let's go. Here we go. Saan pa? So ito lang. Exit naman ito. It's a very good entrance, guys. Ang kala lang hindi kami makakapasok. Pwede pala. Oh no! Thank you so much. It's okay. Oh my god, it's so dark. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. This is it, guys. Really beautiful, guys. It's a little bit darker, but really beautiful. Amazing. So nice. So dark. Oh my god. So right. ginawa nilang ano, pinagtahi-tahi lang nila, oh. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang ganda, guys. Ayan. Yes, mag-exit na kami. Ayan guys, nakita niyo ang kagandahan ng dito sa artistry. And thank you so much guys.
Exit this way.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, open the window. Ay, open the window. Open the curtains. So yun guys, nakita na maganda pala dito. Okay. So ito yung ayan guys. Thank you so much.
And I wanted to be more personal and more intimate to create this more magical.
Grabe yung nag-create nito guys. Oh.
When the project that my professors were asking me to do in the sense of having a style, I said it's perfect because it gives people another dimension and ask people to enter in a very wonderful space. Of course, but have a different experience. So for me, it was quite natural to say, let's do the subject for now. It's a very popular opportunity to get all of the art world, the fashion world, and
Sa inyo siya, oh. Kasi niya mag-create,
the
oh.
first time I went to that place, it was striking. I would say that I was, now I wasn't the same as well, I think it was a lot better.
Ayun, oh. Ang husay niya manahi. Grabe yun. Grabe yung pagkakagawa nila, no? Mula sa iba't ibang klase ng tela lang. Napaka-creative nila.
Marami ba yan, di ba?
Ah,
Yan lang ba yan?
oo. Cherry. Ito. Ayan guys, no? Naabot ko na rin ito. Quarry Bay. Ayan, sa art artistry dito sa Quarry Bay, sa Taiko Place. Ayan, guys. Maganda siya, maganda. Kaya sobrang dilim na lang. Yun lang guys. Thank you. So, andito kami sa likod ng Quarry Bay. Ayan guys. So, dito sa Taiko Place, ito yung mga ano guys, mga opisina kasi maraming opisina kasi dito, pero hindi ko alam na nandito pala yung artistry. Asan ang McDo dito? Naghanap kami ng McDo. Asan ba yun? Ha? Hindi na makita ng McDonald's. Mga McDo na lang, hindi pa makita. So, hindi busy dito pagka ganitong ano, really. Pero pagka weekdays, super busy dito guys. Maraming office kasi. Office hours, eh. So, ayan, nakita na namin ng McDo. Nagmamakdo kami guys. Marami rin pala mga restaurants na dito guys. So mapapunta kayo dito guys pagka Sunday. Ayan pagka yung holidays. Ako ng donut pero hindi ko alam. Gusto ko mahal naman. Sabi ganun. Hindi donuts at saka pizza 378 guys, isang set. So dito kami sa McDonald's. Hello, tatawid na kami guys. Inaabot ng pag... So this is Quarry Bay. Ayan, guys. At dito na kami sa MTR. At pupunta naman kami sa Kowloon. Ayan. Sige ang pag-vlog habang walang amo, habang walang trabaho. Ayan.
Ayaw.